Why glaciers matter. Tropical glaciers respond quickly to changes in climate and therefore serve as excellent indicators of climate change. Since glaciers are distributed worldwide, they serve as an exemplar of global climatic conditions. Many of the world's glaciers are in close proximity to settlements, causing the effects of climate change to be readily observed by communities. Additionally, alpine glaciers are oftentimes connected to environmental, social, and economic dimensions of communities in surrounding lowlands. Consequently, any changes to mountain glaciers have immediate and significant impacts on populations. This is especially true in Peru, where glaciers and the water they provide are intimately associated with indigenous culture, customs, and religion. In regions where glaciers provide an important source of freshwater, there is growing concern regarding how climate change may alter the relationship between alpine glaciers and freshwater availability. There has been rapid and accelerating recession of mountain glaciers worldwide during the last 50 years, with increasing concern for potential environmental, economic, social, and political implications should these trends continue. Andean glaciers have displayed continued recession, with the most pronounced retreats beginning in the early 1980s. Many of these glaciers have been in existence for centuries, yet they exhibit some of the most rapid mass and surface area losses in the world. Scientists project serious implications in the future if atmospheric warming continues. The Cordillera Blanca. The Cordillera Blanca is part of the Peruvian Andes and is the country's largest and most northerly mountain range, covering over 130 kilometers between 8 degrees and 10 degrees south latitude. More than 99% of all the world's tropical glaciers are located in the South American Andes, and roughly 70% of these are found in Peru alone. The Cordillera Blanca is Peru's most extensively glaciated mountain range, with a quarter of the world's tropical glaciers in glacial valleys with elevations ranging from 3,000 to 6,800 meters. The range contains approximately 722 glaciers covering more than 723 square kilometers. Similar to the global trends, considerable glacier retreat has been documented in the Cordillera Blanca over the 20th century. Studies indicate that the Cordillera Blanca has lost over 25% of its coverage since 1970, during which, the average temperature has increased 0.35 degrees Celsius to 0.39 degrees Celsius per decade. Persistent and accelerated glacial shrinkage in the Cordillera Blanca is anticipated for the future, with severe consequences for the region's water supply and those who depend on it. The Cordillera Blanca's glaciers provide the fundamental water source for irrigated agriculture, domestic livestock, human consumption, and hydropower generation in the region. The region's dependence on this resource will invite serious implications in decades to come as scientists expect atmospheric warming to continue to accelerate. Additionally, increased melting causes the formation of glacier lakes at the glacier terminus. These lakes become dammed by unsorted till deposited by the retreating glaciers, leaving nearby developments at risk for glacier lake outburst floods, GLOFs. Consequently, accelerated melting in the region is of great concern as it poses a threat to the local water resource and increases in the risk of GLOFs associated with moraine dammed lakes.